Hello, trading has closed on the 10th of June 2024. We'll start with our disclaimer, go over our calls, make some predictions. It's my trading plan for Tuesday, which is June the 11th, 2024. Please remember I can be completely wrong. Any trade you make should be made at your own risk. I have personal business this month. I can't watch the market every second of the day. It's important to remember the MEJT system gives targets. It doesn't give entries or exits, and all the rules are stated here. Well, we look today for the pattern with the early low. There it is, and tomorrow's pattern should have the early high. We said that Friday had the straight line drop, and if that was the right interpretation, the drop shouldn't be over, and we should promptly undercut this low. And well, we came right down to it, I guess, so that's close enough for me. We then rallied all day long. Oh, this is a reminder of what we said. We then rallied all day long. This dotted line is the close. We couldn't close over any of these highs or these highs or these highs. That's a rally which hasn't accomplished anything. Now, time hasn't run out yet. I mean, it runs out tomorrow's open. But futures are down as I'm recording this, and I can't say for certain how we'll open. But for right now, it's a rally which just retraced a drop without invalidating the call for a top right here. MEJT during the day said this drop would retrace, said this rally would retrace. That's already happened. We're still stopping right at this major channel. That's resistance, and we just can't seem to break through yet. This isn't the only Fibonacci ratio you can find, but I'm going to stick with it as long as it works, and we're going to stick with our call for a top of some significance on Friday. But once again, it's a top, it's not the top. Tuesday's pattern has the early high regardless of where we open. Typically it's a rally day with a fine lower high. Failure is a straight line drop. Today's rally from the low didn't close over prior intraday highs, nor over highs from the last couple of days. So long as Friday's all-time high is not broken significantly, I'm looking for a pullback here which should be quite tradable. The CPI and FOMC announcements on Wednesday argue against a big move happening before those data are out. So it's the pattern tomorrow with the early high. Tends to be a rally day. The rally can spill over into Wednesday's open. Failure is a straight line drop. The drop can spill over into Wednesday's open. We have this as a high here with potentially significantly lower prices coming, but I don't think it is the high. I think it'll recover at some point. And that's today's call.